Welcome to the RCBC Library. Once you've found a list of articles that you would like to look at, you have a few options to allow you to download and save the articles. First, click on the article on the list of search results. This will bring up the detailed record of the article, showing you the author or authors, the publication, and the affiliation of the authors. If you click on the PDF full text option, you will see the articles as it is appeared in the print journal. If you think that you might use the article, you can download the PDF. This will save it to the computer you are using. This is a great option if you are using your personal computer. If you are on a public computer, you can choose to save it to your Google Drive. You can also choose to print it. We recommend emailing it to yourself. If you do this, be sure to choose the citation format you need so that it is included. Academic Search Premier and our other RCBC databases are the easiest way to get reliable content. With articles through our databases, you don't have to worry about the authors having explicit bias. These publications are reliable, up-to-date, and in the case of academic journals, the writers have the credentials to be talking about their respective fields. Academic journals have references and links to the sources that they base their findings off of. Not all websites, blogs, or sources that aren't associated with these databases will have these criteria, and not every academic journal article is online free of cost. The RCBC Library pays for you to have access to these databases as students. That's why you have to be logged in as an RCBC student in order to view this content. You can download as many articles as you want. Remember, we're always here to help.